We got an early start. 4:30 in the morning, baby. And it's like cold out. I'm cold. Can't wait till the sun comes up. They said it's like another hour. Whoa. This is such a beautifully lit up bridge. This is like the best sight we got in town. There's the bridge tower. Somebody sits up in there as a job to raise the bridge. Yes, they do. The morning birds are coming out. It's starting to get lighter just a little bit. So serene, quiet. Sun's starting to come up, guys. Look at that. It's gonna be a good one. All right, look. I stopped off at the truck stop because I was going by it. I figured I'd wait till it gets light enough out so you could see my camera. Doing all this riding and I'm not gonna be able to videotape any of it. And you know, I gotta videotape what I do. Kids, put your helmet on. Don't do as I do. It's not right. Here's where I went to high school at. Here, we'll ride through the parking lot real quick. Ooh, fancy. There's the clam bar. I swear to God, that's what it's called. I'm not lying. Clam bar. River living, baby. River living. My man, this is just for you. You asked me if I was on the highway. Ho-ho! Who's not? Wildlife Refuge. Here we go. All right, how cool. Check this out. I got a garden in here. I'm assuming it's all fenced off because of the animal, so it doesn't eat the stuff, I guess. We have a pavilion over here. A community partnership. It's been a long time since I've been back here. What is this? Please enjoy the trail, don't litter, no bikes, no motor vehicles. There you go. The Wheelbrader Gloucester facility employs the world's most advanced emissions control, blah, blah, blah. I don't know. I guess there's an actual nature trail. Looks like they have it cut here. I want to see what it's all about, guys. Let's do this. We're all about nature. Alright. Oh, we got options. You can go right, or you can go left. It says no bicycles, but I see bike prints. I definitely see bike prints. This is pretty cool. Looks like this goes along the back fence, a wheelabrator here. Ooh, we got the trash and steam generator on one side and nature on the other. Aren't we lucky? Where are we going? What? There's no openings here to launch a drone, so we're kind of beating that aspect. I keep walking through spider webs. Oh, like spider webs. I keep walking through damn spider webs. It's got my ears feeling uncomfortable. Alright, so what do we got here? What the heck? Got a little number 2. It's the number deuce. It's the Mama Deuce Bridge. Looks like this fills up with water. What do you guys think? Looks like that fills up with water down there. That's why this is here. And that's the, here the trash and steam plant. Alright. Cross our little path here. Whew. What's this stuff? Come on. I hope they don't give me any more choices. I pick left and left is alright so far. Oh, there's another choice. See what I mean? See what I mean? Damn choices. Is this really even my option? Or is this just like the security perimeter? Am I on the trail? I must be. I crossed the number 2 bridge. This is one beast nature trail. I got this stupid building here next to me. Wow. Look at the nature. There's moss growing on the roof. Ay, ay, ay. Alright, well, look. This is your typical suburb nature trail. What can I say? You know, I live in the suburbs. I'm about 15 minutes outside of Philadelphia. Right here is literally minutes with outside Philadelphia on the New Jersey side. Look, we got more choices. It goes that way, and it goes this way. We're about to strap the skateboard up. You ever rub your elbow against the grip tape? What do you think? What do you think? There it is. There it is. Genius. Genius, Kyser. Genius. I brought some iced coffee. And I brought some, what do you call that? Beef jerky. That's a perfect wood snack. Whoa, look at all that reefer growing. Holy smokes. It's like the nature trail. Surprised I don't see any hunters poaching stands out here. Little apple throws. Yeah, you hunters know what I'm talking about. You little apple throwers. You hunters know what I'm talking about with the apple thrower. You hang them from the tree and they throw apples and the deer come. It's not nice. Unless you're just trying to take pictures. Here's Fern Gully. I was hoping to see some deer out here today, but as loud as I am. Oh wait, hold on now, look at this. Something going through here. We got squished terrain. See this? Look at this. See it? See that little groove? Look, look, look. Something was walking.
Dare they come back in my nature trail? Who is back here?
Man, this is nice. Tell you what, I bet you this caught on fire at one time. Look how tiny the trees are. They're all like little sticks. They look like a bunch of little seedlings that sprouted up. This over here is just tall grass. It's the tallest grass I've ever seen. Now I see a trail into the grass. That's where the deer go. The deer and the black bear. Yo, I see a black bear back here. I'm giving him the skateboard. Black bear, black bear, black bear.
Black bear, no!
He can have the skateboard. I'm like, black bear, guess what? I got something for you. Black bear's gonna be like,
what you got?
I'm gonna be like, listen, this is what I got. I got an electric skateboard.
I wasn't really looking for an electric skateboard. I want some food.
Black bear, black bear. There's only so much I can do for you right now. I'm not giving up the teriyaki frickin'. No, I got Korean barbecue today. I'm not giving it up, black bear. All right, we just crossed bridge number 2. That's back there. We're leaving it back here. This is a nice little getaway though. If somebody's over there working and listening to me, they're gonna be like, yo, hold on. Lenny, there's a crazy guy in the woods. Do you hear that? They're gonna get their coworkers together like, shh. Come here. Do you hear that? Look, Sam. Ready? My ass is being all loud. They look right at me. They look like dogs stuck. I really wish I had my other lens on there. Look at that tail up there. Look at them. They're just standing at the fence like, holy crap. What are we gonna do? Look like they're all female. I ain't see any racks. No racks. Must be an apple thrower out there. Who's got an apple thrower out here? You hunters know what I'm talking about. If I find it, there better be good apples in there at least. Is this thing open? See, they're trying to keep the deer out of here. Oh, this is nice. Tranquil. Pretty cool. I don't remember this being here last time I was here. Got a little runoff. Looked like they just kind of put this together just to get it going, just so we could say we got a pond here. Everything's washed away. This used to be the back door to the auto shop there. Pull our cars up in there. Have fun, fun, fun.
So my daddy took my Subaru away.
Alright, all done. There's my trip to the nature reserve. Joe Kyser, over and out. I hope everybody has a great day. Peace.